Hello and welcome to my channel Anainya Mishra Creations, and I'm Ananya. Today I'm sharing a chocolaty coconut candy recipe which is perfect for the holiday season. So let's get started.
You can take any chocolate of your choice, like dark chocolate or white or semi-sweet, and make any design you want using dry nuts or coconut flakes. These are so delicious, it just melts in your mouth.
If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers and happy